Good morning, everyone. I know I should have done the video last night, but I'm back with severe weather because it actually got upgraded to enhanced risk today for not wind, but tornadoes. Look at that. There's a chance for strong tornadoes today. If you live in this region, you need to watch out for a long track of strong tornadoes. So yes, there is that potential for a tornado outbreak today. So, and the snowstorm chances decreased and back up trend on GFS, but we'll talk about that later. So, if you live in any of these shaded regions, you need to be on high weather. You need to be weather aware today, guys. So, the black means a 10 significant tornado risk. So, there's a SIG-TOR today, but there's a change in March. We're gonna have the SIG here, so we'll let you know when that happens. But for now, this is the current zone for SIG tornadoes. You can see there's even a SIG-5 in there. Look. So this whole zone needs to be on weather aware for long track of not violent tornadoes, but we're gonna go to the 6. Okay. We're gonna have to load that up again. Hold on. We're gonna have to go load up again because the models. Oh, we're 12Z already? Oh my gosh, that's we're 12Z already. You could see, by the way. See the supercell potential is there. You see those storms there. We're gonna go to the RFS model and see what it looked like. Because if there's gonna be a 10 SIG tornado risk today, you know me, we're gonna look at the RFS model. See, we got supercell burners. We're gonna not the RFSA. 6C is that. We're gonna get a precipitation type. Okay, let's stop it. Yeah, it's not printing as much supercells, but that's what we're saying, everybody. We're gonna be watching out. I know it's not a good camera, but we're gonna use something we're gonna use the picture for the thumbnail. You can see there's that enhanced risk. So we're gonna go check out the latest discussion. You can see the uptrend in it, right? Yep. There it is. Look at the discussion. It's huge this morning. EF2 or stronger tornadoes. There we go. That's an uptrend. You can see this whole area. That's an uptrend. So there's your zone for strong tornadoes this afternoon, right in this area. See that? and stay weather aware, guys. Okay. I see that upgrade there. So, see the focus enhancer is on. We're gonna go back to our outlook. You see, tornadoes, wind, and hail. Hail's larger area. See that? So our tornadoes are the greatest risk out of this. Tornadoes and hail are greater. So large hail and tornadoes, strong tornadoes today. So this is definitely a tornado outbreak setup. Why? Because the enhanced risk is mainly driven by tornadoes. That's right. That's it. Right there. That's why they issued the enhanced risk. Significant tornado risk. That means EF2 or stronger tornadoes. So, well, that's what it's talking about. So, everyone stay weather aware in that and all that. So, since we got a little bit of time, we're going to check on our snowstorm update as well. Then we're going to plug this phone back in. When you can see see, this was yesterday's model. We go to 𝗧𝗛𝗏𝗏. Now, this is the 6th. Look, trending in our favor for a snowstorm. See that? So we're going to go from tornadoes in Ohio to blizzard on the Northeast. Talk about crazy weather. Talk about crazy timing. Yep, and what's crazy, it's only going to be 50 here, but tomorrow's going to be 70. But I think it's going to be a lot warmer here today, too. So, just letting y'all know about the temperatures. This is the zone. So, but what I do think is we're going to have a red. If this uptrends again, we could see a 15 sig. Yep, I say a 15 sig, so we're going to do that here, like a 15 sig, because if it uptrends again, we'll let you know about that later on this afternoon. We might see our first moderate risk of severe weather, but for now, we have our first sig tour of the year, first enhanced risk of the year, and that's what we got for all y'all folks. See, that's the risk area. So, but I do think that this whole entire zone right here, see that zone? You can see this is we got a thunderstorm. Oh, where are you at? Yep, right there. Look, we'll be tracking severe weather this afternoon. Yep, we'll be tracking some storms, so stay tuned. There's a storm right there. Yep, tree limbs and all that good stuff. So already thunderstorms. But where I'm at, nothing. Hope it stays that way today. But probably won't because of the cloud cover and rain. But that's the tornado risk, everybody. So let's go back to the categorical risk area. That's the enhanced risk, y'all. That is it. See? I knew they were going to issue one. So we'll have to wait for more updates. More updates on a severe weather event. I want to do. Yeah, if I can't do, I'm gonna do 10-minute video. But we're gonna try, because I am gonna have a perfect thumbnail for this.
You can get a towel and a cover. That thing over here.
Yep, see that? They issued this. Stay tuned, everybody. Make sure you guys like this rapid large weather. Great. There's your reason right there.